Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all doing well. Yes? Okay. So today we step into the next lesson, lesson number 2. Okay, Bhakta Bodhana. Already you learned the first lesson, right? Have you all remembered that lesson? What lesson we learned? Is Pushpaki Abhilasha. Very easiest poem, right? And we learn all the question answers, meanings, opposite, gender, everything. Okay. So today we step into the next lesson, Bhakta Bodhana. Okay. Bhakta Bodhana. This is a simple story based lesson. Okay. This is a simple story. So today we are going to learn the half of the story. Okay, only half of the story we are going to learn. So the name of the lesson is Bhakta Bodhana. Okay, the name of the lesson is Bhakta Bodhana. You know, Bhakta means devotee. Devotee is a Bhakta, right? This is devotee. Bhakta Bodhana. He is devotee. He is like a saint, right? He is like a saint. Okay, now we are going to learn what is happening in this poem. Okay, first one is Bhakta Bodhana. Read this. Ba, Ik, Ta. Bhakta. Pa. This is O symbol. So, Po, Tha, Nam. Bhakta Bodhana. Okay, this is the what? Heading. So, let's start. Bhakta Bodhana ka janma Arugalu ke nikat Bammer namak gav mein hua. Okay, he is a Bhakta Bodhana. Bhakta Bodhana ka janma means birth. Arugalu ke nikat Bammer namak gav mein hua. पोदना के पिता का नाम केसना, माता का नाम लक्ष्मांबा था, बेटे के नाम मल्लना था। वे 15वीं सदी के प्रमुख कवि थे। 15वीं सदी के प्रमुख कवि थे। ओके, रीड once again. Bhakta Bodhana का जन्म आरगल्लू के निकट भम्मेर नामक गांव में हुआ था। बोधना के पिता का नाम केसना, माता का नाम लक्ष्मांबा, बेटे के नाम मल्लना। वे 15वीं सदी के प्रमुख कवि थे। Okay, so what is given in this paragraph? Bhakta Bodhana, he was born in Arugalu. Arugalu is a place. Near to that place, Bammer is a small village. Okay, Bammer namak gav mein hua tha. What is gav? Gav means village. Where he is born. Bhakta Bodhana ka janma Arugallu. Arugallu is a place. In this place, Bammer namak. Bammer means it is a village. So Bammer namak gav mein hua tha. Okay, so first question, where this Bhakta Bodhana was born? Bhakta Bodhana was born at Arugallu ke nikat namak Bammer gav mein hua. Arugalu is a place. Near to that place, Bammer is a village. Bammer namak gav mein hua. Next, Bodhana ke पिता का नाम. Bodhana का पिता का नाम. His father name is Kesna. Mother का नाम. Mother name is Lakshmamba था. माता का नाम लक्ष्मांबा था. बेटे का नाम means his son name is Mallana. ओके, बेटे के नाम मल्लना था। वे 15वीं सदी के प्रमुख कवि थे। ही इज a famous poet in the 15th decade. Okay, he is very famous. Pramukh kavi means popular poet. Okay, so this is given in the first paragraph. Read the first paragraph. Bhaktabodhana. भक्तपोदना का जन्म आरुगल्लू के निकट बम्मेर नामक गांव में हुआ। He was born in Arugallu, near to Arugallu, Bammer. Bammer is a small village. He was born. And Podana के पिता का नाम, his father name is Kesana, mother का नाम, माता का नाम, which is mother name is लक्कमांबा था। बेटे के नाम, his son का नाम मल्लना था। He is a famous poet in the 15th decade. Okay, then next paragraph. पोदना का जन्म साधारण परिवार में हुआ था। पोदना का जन्म साधारण परिवार, परिवार in the sense family। पोदना का जन्म साधारण परिवार में हुआ था। खेती करना की अनेक परिवार का पेशा था। ओके, पहल उन्होंने भोगिनी दंडकम नामक काव्य की रचना की। उस ग्रंथ को महाराज सर्वज्ञ सिंह भूपाल को समर्पित कर दिया था। I read once again, listen. पोदना का जन्म साधारण परिवार में हुआ था। खेती करना ही उनके परिवार का पेशा था। पहल उन्होंने भोगिनी दंडकम नामक काव्य की रचना की। उस ग्रंथ को महाराज सर्वज्ञ सिंह भूपाल को समर्पित कर दिया था। Okay, what is given in this paragraph? पोदना का जन्म, he was born in this place, आरुगल्लू के निकट बम्मेर नामक एक छोटा गांव, स्मॉल गांव। पोदना का जन्म साधारण परिवार में हुआ था। He belongs to a middle class family. परिवार means family. Okay, he belongs to a साधारण परिवार, मिडिल क्लास फैमिली। खेती करने की उनके परिवार का पेशा था। फार्मिंग इज द पैशन ऑफ हिज फैमिली। ओके, पेशा मीन्स इट इज प्रोफेशनल। ओके, पेशा मीन्स प्रोफेशनल, विच इज द प्रोफेशनल ऑफ भक्तबोधना फैमिली? Farming. Okay, farming is the basic profession they are following. Okay, the whole family belongs to the category of farming. Okay, which profession? Farming. पहल उन्होंने भोगिनी दंडकम नामक काव्य की रचना की। The first poem he was published, the poem now called Bhogini Dandakam. Okay, this is the first poem. Which is the first poem? Bhogini Dandakam. Bhogini Dandakam is the first poem that he published. Okay, Rachna means he published the poem. Okay, published. The name of the poem is Bhogini Dandakam. Okay, पहल उन्होंने भोगिनी दंडकम नामक काव्य की रचना की। उस ग्रंथ को महाराज सर्वज्ञ सिंह भूपाल को समर्पित कर दिया था। ओके, he published the poem called Bhogini Dandakam. Then this line, in this script, Grantham means script. Okay, the dialogues, everything. So, this script was dedicated by Samarpit. dedicated by Maharaj Sarvanya Singh Bhupal. Okay, because this is the olden days. Now, olden days there is a lot of kings and queens are alive, right? So that this Bhakta Bodhana published the poem called Bogini Dandakam, and he dedicated this Bogini Dandakam to Maharaj Sarvanya Singh Bhupal. Okay. This is what given in the second paragraph. Once again I read. पोदना का जन्म साधारण परिवार में हुआ था. खेती करना ही उनके परिवार का पेशा था. पहले उन्होंने बोगिनी दंडकम नामक काव्य की रचना की. उस ग्रंथ को महाराज सर्वज्ञ सिंह भूपाल को समर्पित कर दिया था. Okay, Bodhana ka janma, where he belongs to a sadharan parivar, which means a middle class family. खेती करना की उनके परिवार का पेशा था. Farming is the only professional Bhakta Bodhana families belongs to. Okay. पहले उन्होंने बोगिनी दंडकम नामक काव्य की रचना की. The very first poem is Bogini Dandakam. He was published. Okay. उस ग्रंथ को महाराज सर्वज्ञ सिंह भूपाल को समर्पित कर दिया था. In this poem, Bogini Dandakam script, okay, उस ग्रंथ को महाराज सर्वज्ञ सिंह भूपाल को समर्पित कर दिया था. In this script was dedicated by Maharaj Sarvanya Singh Bhupal. Samarpit in the sense, what is samarpit? Samarpit in the sense dedicate. Okay, I read the first para. भक्त बोधना का जन्म 8 गल्लों के निकट बम्मेर नामक गांव में हुआ था. बोधना के पिता का नाम केसना, माता का नाम लक्का मापा था. बेटे के नाम मल्लना था. वे 15वीं सदी के प्रमुख कवि थे. ओके, भक्त बोधना का जन्म where the place is Arugallu near Bammer. Okay, this is a small village. Bodhana ka pida ka naam, father name is Kesana and mother name is Lakamaba. Bete, which means bete ka naam Mallana. Okay. Next, 15B. He was a famous poet in the 15th decade. Okay. बोधना का जन्म साधारण परिवार. ओके, बोधना का जन्म साधारण परिवार में हुआ था. ही बिलोंग्स टू ए मिडिल क्लास फैमिली. खेती करने की उनके परिवार का पेशा था. फार्मिंग इज द ओनली प्रोफेशनल दे आर फॉलोइंग. पहल उन्होंने पोएम का नाम बोगिनी दंडकम नामक काव्य की रचना की. ओके, उस ग्रंथ को द स्क्रिप्ट वाज डेडिकेटेड बाय महाराज सर्वज्ञ सिंह भूपाल को समर्पित कर दिया था. नेक्स्ट, एक दिन बोधना को ध्यान में भगवान राम का दर्शन हुआ. एक दिन बोधना को ध्यान में भगवान राम का दर्शन हुआ. भगवान ने आदेश दिया कि भागवत को तेलुगु में अनुवाद करो. बोधना ने एक काम अपना भाग्य समझाकर इस प्रकार सोच लिया, लिखने वाले ग्रंथ भागवत में है. ओके, एक दिन बोधना को ध्यान में भगवान राम का दर्शन हुआ. वन डे, एक दिन मीन्स वन डे. बोधना के ध्यान, बोधना was did his meditation. Okay, on the meditation time भगवान राम का दर्शन हुआ. Okay, who came in front of Bhakta Bodhana? Bhagavan Ram. Bhagavan Ram. एक दिन बोधना को ध्यान में, while he doing his meditation, who will stand in front of बोधना? भगवान राम. ओके, भगवान ने आदेश दिया. ओके, भगवान राम ordered him. Okay, ordered him. Adesh means order. Ordered him. What? Ordered. भागवत को तेलुगु में अनुवाद करो. Bhakta Bodhana, you have to translate this Bhagavad Gita in Telugu. Okay, Bhagavad Gita in Telugu. Anuvad means translate. Who told to translate Bhagavad Gita in Telugu? Bhagavan Ram. Then Bhakta Bodhana feels. Bhakta Bodhana ने एक काम अपना वाक्य समझाकर इस प्रकार सोच लिया. Bodhana was very happy and he is thinking. Soch means thinking. He is thinking. एक काम, this work अपना वाक्य समझाकर, this work I feel very proud. Okay, I samjha means feel. I feel proud to be translate this Bhagavat in Telugu. Okay, लिखने वाला ग्रंथ Bhagavat, which means wrote the script in Telugu. Okay, Telugu language. So what is given in this paragraph? One day Bodhana was did his meditation. On that time Bhagavan Sri Ram का दर्शन हुआ. Bhagavan Sri Ram was standing in front of the Bodhana and he ordered, Bhagavan Ram ordered to Bodhana for translating Bhagavad Gita in Telugu language. So Bodhana was very proud to be doing this work and he started to translate. Okay, this is what given in this 3 paragraph. Okay. Shall I read once again? भक्त बोधना का जन्म आरगल्लू के निकट बम्मेर नामक गांव में हुआ था. बोधना के पिता का नाम केसना, माता का नाम लक्कम्मा था, बेटे के नाम मल्लना था. वे 15वीं सदी के प्रमुख कवि थे. बोधना का जन्म साधारण परिवार में हुआ था. खेती करना ही उनके परिवार का पेशा था. पहल उन्होंने भोगिनी दंडकम नाम काव्य की रचना की. उस ग्रंथ को महाराज सर्वज्ञ सिंह भूपाल को समर्पित कर दिया था. एक दिन बोधना को ध्यान में भगवान राम का दर्शन हुआ. भगवान ने आदेश दिया कि भागवत को तेलुगु में अनुवाद करो. बोधना ने एक काम अपना वाक्य समझाकर इस प्रकार सोच लिया. लिखने वाला ग्रंथ भागवत. This is what the story, half of middle of the story. Okay, half story only, and the rest of the half we will see in the next class. Okay, once again I said this story orally. Bhakta Bodhana, where he is born, Arugallu. Arugallu is a place. In this place, Bammer is a small village where he was born. And Bodhana ka pida ka naam, father name is Kesana and mother name is Lakkamma. And his son name is Mallana. He was a very famous poet in 15th decade. Okay, then Bodhana ka janma, where he is born, he belongs to a Sadharan Parivar, middle class family. Keti, farming is the passion or profession. Pesha means profession. Professions they are following. And first he was published a book called Bhogini Dandakam. It is the poem. Okay, Kavya ki Rachna ki. So is Grantha. Us Grantha means This Bogini Dandakam script was dedicated by Maharaj Sarvanyasik Bhupal. Co-dedicated. Samarpit means dedicated. एक दिन बोधना के ध्यान में he was did their meditation. While did this meditation, Bhagavan Sri Ram could stand in front of Bodhana. Who came in the dream? Bhagavan Sri Ram. What he is telling? Bhagavan Sri Ram Adesh Diya ordered Bodhana to translate Bhagavad Gita in Telugu language. And he was very happy to see the Bhagavan Sri Ram. Okay, he was very happy. And he searched Liya, which means he is thinking that is Ekika Bhakya Sanja. He feel very proud to do this translation in Telugu. Okay, this is what Bhakta Bodhana. We will see the next lesson, next paragraph in the next class. Okay. So this week assessment also I gave the same questions in the Pushpaki Abhilasha. Okay, thoroughly how to study all the question answers for opposite meanings, sentence making, change the gender, change the noun, everything. Okay, past 2 week assessment also I gave the same lesson question. This week assessment also I gave the same question. So, have to study clearly. Okay, children. Most of you will learn clearly in this Pushpaki Abhilasha. I know that, but only few of you are not able to complete all the questions, right? So, study well. Okay. So, read this Bhakta Bodhana. Okay. Read this Bhakta Bodhana. So, your today's class gets over. Try to read all the paragraph and all the underlined words. Okay, that is that highlighting words you have to learn. Okay, children. We will see in the next class. Dhanyavad.